today's episode of Cake Mom, we're gonna make some gluten-free sugar cookies. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. On this channel, I share with you guys some healthier ways to make your very favorite treats, including gluten-free and vegan recipes. As always, the recipe will be down in the description below, but here is everything you will need. Gluten-free all-purpose flour mix, butter that's soft, granulated sugar, egg, baking powder, salt, and vanilla extract. So we're gonna start by beating together the butter and the sugar in a stand mixer with the paddle attachment. Now we're going to add our egg and vanilla. Because I'm doing a smaller batch of cookies, I'm only adding the egg white. But if you're doing a large batch of cookies, you can add whole eggs. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our pure vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're gonna combine the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and then add that into our wet mixture. Give it a good little mix. Now we're just going to wrap this in some plastic wrap and stick it in the fridge for at least an hour or in the freezer until it is completely cooled down so we can roll it out and cut out our little cookies. Okay, so our cookie dough has chilled and now we're gonna roll it out and cut out our cookies, and I'm going to just sprinkle flour on the board, flour my rolling pin, and roll these out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. So now we're just going to cut out our cookies and place them on a cookie sheet that has been lined with either parchment paper or a Silpat, something to keep them from sticking. And then we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for approximately 8 minutes or until they are done. Okay, so now we're gonna make some cookie icing, and I'm just gonna make a traditional royal icing for this one. All you're gonna need is some powdered sugar, pasteurized egg white, and some pure vanilla extract. You're going to add your egg white and your vanilla into your powdered sugar, give it a good mix, and if it's too thin, add some more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, add some more egg white, or you can just add a little bit of milk as well. I'm gonna stick with just some white icing and nice Christmas colored sprinkles. You can decorate these with colored icing if you would prefer. This is how we're gonna do it. These gluten-free sugar cookies are soft and chewy and have a lovely glossy finish on top, and they're perfect for your next Christmas party. If you guys are getting value out of these videos, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.